Hi to all. In this video, we will discuss about arrays in C. I am S. Muthukumar, Assistant Professor of IT, C. Kalshari College, Kanama Civils. Now, we enter into the topic. So, what is an array? It is a collection of elements stored in a different datatypes. The same concept is applied into a structure, but structure have a collection of elements stored in a different datatype. In here, array is have a collection of elements stored in the same datatype. So it is also known as a group of data types. It is also known as a derived data types. It represents a list of numbers or list of names and etc. So example of arrays is denoted as names of students, collective names of students, or otherwise total test scores of class of students, and list of customers or list of mobile numbers, list of students in the college. It represents as a array. So if array has a first index value starting to the 0 and final index value end with that particular index value. For example, student of 100, in this example, first index array value is student of 0 and the final indexed array value is student of 90. Okay. So in array has three important types. First one is one dimensional array, two dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. Nothing is different. One dimensional array have only one index value. Two dimensional array have a two index value. Multi-dimensional arrays have more than two index values. So first we will discuss about one dimensional array. It is also a collection of data, but it has only one index. It is also known as a subscript, is called as a one-dimensional array. For example, starting an array. In here example is integer number of 5. It has only one index value, that is 5. So first index value starting at position number of 0, next number of 1, and the next number of 2, and next number of 3, and next number of final and index value is number of 4. So this is the example of one-dimensional array. If directly assigned to the values to the variable. So for number of 1 equal to 40, number of 2 equal to 20, number of 3 equal to 57, number of 4 equal to 9. So it has a collection of values. So it is a syntax for one declaration of one-dimensional array. So type it is denoted as a C data types, maybe integer or float. Next one is array name. It is denoted as a name of the array, and final one is size. It is the index value. So index value is must numeric constant or symbolic constant. So next one is the example of array in the group of 10. So it is an integer is a perfect data type in C, and the group is my array name, and 10 is a size of the array. So next one is we also declare a variable, declare an array, or otherwise directly initialize an array. So this is an example of initialization. So integer number of 3, that is just a declaration of array, but equal to it declares it assigns a set of values, that is called as a initialization of array. It have a declaration and assigning a value to the variable. That is the concept of initialization. So next one is two-dimensional array. It has two index subscript. So it is a general format, data type, array name, and the row size and the column size. It differentiates with the rows and columns. So data are stored in the form of rows and columns. So this is a general format of two-dimensional array. And the first one is data type and array name, or row size is column size. So already we know that what is type, that is nothing but a valid data type in your C. Array name is a user-defined name, and the row size it is the index value, and column size it is also index value. It only should be either a numeric constant or a symbolic constant. So there is an example of initialization. Previous we will discuss about the declaration. Here we declare a variable and also declare a values to the variable. So that is the concept of initialization. See here example, we integer is a data type, variable is a array name, and 2 is a row size, and 3 is a column size. We declare this variable and to assign the values to the variable, 0 and 2. So next one is multi-dimensional array. It is also known as the more than two index values. It is called as a multi-dimensional array. For example, syntax for the multi-dimensional array: type, array name, and then size 1, size 2, size 3, etc. size n. So we declare more than two index values in this. So this is the overall explanation about array. Simple concept of array. That's very important concept in array. Thank you.